To use array formula in Google Sheets, type equals, then array formula and open parentheses, and then the formula you want to apply to an entire range, like A2, A times B2, B, then close the parentheses and press enter. That single formula will instantly calculate the total for every row in your sheet, from the first row of data all the way down. If you find this helpful, please like and subscribe, and let's get into exactly how this works and why it's such a game changer for your spreadsheets. Let's walk through this with a real example so you can see the power firsthand. Imagine you have a spreadsheet with hundreds of products. Column A has the price of each item, and column B has the quantity sold. Normally, you would write a formula in cell C2 like equals A2 times B2, then click and drag that formula down hundreds or even thousands of rows. That works, but it is tedious. It clutters your sheet with hundreds of identical formulas, and if you ever add a new row of data, you have to remember to extend that formula manually. Array formula solves all of that in one step. Start by opening your web browser, going to Google Sheets, and opening the spreadsheet you want to automate. Look at the table you have, identify which columns contain the values you want to calculate, and which columns should hold the results. In our example, that empty output column would be column C. Click on the first empty cell in that column. C2 is perfect. Now type equals array formula and then an open parentheses. Inside those parentheses, you'll enter the formula you want to apply across the range, but instead of referencing single cells, you reference entire columns. For the multiplication, you would type A2A, which means all the prices from row 2 downward, then an asterisk for multiplication, then B2B, which means all the quantities from row 2 downward. Close the parentheses and press enter. The moment you press enter, every row in column C fills with the correct product of price times quantity. There is no dragging, no copying, and no risk of accidentally missing a row. This is because array formula returns an array of results that automatically spills into the cells below. It processes each row individually, pairing row 2 of range A with row 2 of range B, row 3 with row 3, and so on. You can verify this by scrolling through your sheet and checking the results against your source data. Each result should match exactly what you would get if you wrote the formula manually in that row. Now here is where array formula really shines. Dynamic expansion. Add another row of data at the bottom of your sheet, a new product price and quantity. Look at the output column and you will see that the new row is already calculated. You did not have to copy the formula down again. Array formula automatically included the new row because you used an open-ended range like a 2A instead of a fixed range like a 2A100. This is one of the most valuable tips I can give you. Always use open-ended ranges when you expect new data to be added. For columns, that means writing A2A, B2, B, and so on. The formula will expand seamlessly. You can also test how the formula reacts to changes. Edit one of the source values in column A or column B, and watch the corresponding total in column C update instantly. Array formula recalculates automatically just like any other Google Sheets formula, but because it applies to the entire column at once, the update happens everywhere simultaneously with no lag or missing cells. A common pitfall to avoid is leaving existing data in the output range. Array formula needs empty cells to spill its results into. If you have a stray value or a manual entry in a cell that the array would try to fill, Google Sheets will throw an error saying that it cannot overwrite that data. Always clear the entire output column below your formula before entering the array formula. If you do get an error, delete or move any existing data in that column, and the array will fill in properly. Let's try another example to show the versatility. Say you have a column of names in column A that you want to convert to all capital letters. Instead of writing equals upper of A2 in every cell, type equals array formula, open parentheses, upper of A2, A, close parentheses, and press enter. Instantly, every name in the list is transformed to uppercase. This works exactly the same with functions like lower, proper, text, len, left, right, mid, and if. For example, you could use array formula with if to flag values that are above a certain threshold. Equals array formula if a 2A is greater than 100, high, low. That will label every row in your data without any manual effort. After you have your results, you may want to format the output column to make it more readable. Select the entire column, then apply number formatting like currency or percentage, and resize the column width so the values are clearly visible. You can also add additional records at any time, and the array formula will incorporate them automatically. This is why ARRAYFORMULA is the backbone of professional dashboards, inventory trackers, and automated reports. It eliminates repetitive work and keeps your formulas consistent and easy to audit. Once everything is working, save your spreadsheet. If you need to share it, invite a colleague to edit the source data and watch the results update automatically in real time. This collaborative behavior is another major benefit, because there is only one formula driving the entire column. There is no risk of someone accidentally breaking a copied formula or missing a row when they add new information. Your sheet stays clean and reliable. To wrap up, you have successfully used ARRAYFORMULA to automate calculations across an entire column. You can now apply this same method to any formula you would normally drag down. Simple math, text manipulation, conditional logic, and more. The key takeaways are to always use open-ended ranges, to leave enough empty space for the array to expand, and to combine ARRAYFORMULA with functions like if error, or text to build powerful, self-maintaining spreadsheets. If you ever need to revisit this, save the video or bookmark the steps. Keep practicing with different formulas, and soon ARRAYFORMULA will become your go-to tool for every spreadsheet project. Thanks for watching, and happy automating.